Hey everyone, this video I'm continuation with the other videos. I'm demonstrating this POC RAG retrieval augment generation with one of our furnishing document. So it is Metro to file, Metro to documentation CRRG credit reporting resource guide, which is a publicly available document downloaded from the Google. Just showing this for demonstration purpose. It is available at Google. Let's see. I have given this as context input for our POC RAG POC. So whatever the questions we are asking, it will look into this document, CRRG document, Metro to PDF, and it will try to answer from that. And the first question I already asked this POC, this chatbot is what is CRRG? So CRRG stands for Credit Reporting Resource Guide. So it is fetching the information from this PDF, whatever we have given. And the same question I asked at Gemini web. So it is saying what is CRRG? It is having different answers available at this knowledge level. So it is going to the bigger context. So it is having multiple answers. But with our POC here, it is saying directly it is CRRG stands for Credit Reporting Resource, as this is the context to the particular document. So out of this document, it won't look for the other resources. So let's jump into some of the questions we'll ask from within this document. So let's say we'll take some inputs. We'll ask here we have something complaints condition code, right? Let's say I am asking what are valid complaints condition codes. Let's see. Yeah, I am asking what are valid complaints condition codes. So I am expecting there are some valid complaints conditions codes which this document talks about. So somewhere in the document it mentioned. So it is like one of the is XA and there are other. So complaints condition code here it is mentioned about this XA, XB and XC and all. Let's see what it says. So it got many answers. So it is saying valid complaints condition codes listed in the provided text are blank, XA, XB and all these. So it is able to pull all the valid complaints conditions codes from this document. Let's jump to other question. Let's see any other questions we can ask. Okay, it is okay. Explain echo codes will ask. So it is saying Echo codes defining the relationship of consumers of account individual joint. So J1 J2, so it is giving something. Let's see. So I asked what is the valid echo code. So T, X, W and all these it has to give. It has given T and Z um, associated with the account technician and Z. Okay, they able to pull the T and X. Let's say it didn't pull. Let's ask any other question here. I'm asking about special comment codes. It is saying BCHM. So somewhere find, yeah. So it is able to pull all like a blank BCHM. So BCHM all these it is able to pull and it is able to explain. Yeah, it is able to answer most of the questions from this given document. Let's try one more question and we'll conclude here. What I'm asking is CRRG 2025. So it is actually 2020 guide. So I'm asking whether it is 2025. So it is saying provided text reference to CRRG copyright 2020 does not mention 2025 version. So it is referring to this document about 2020. Yeah, this is all about this demo with Metro 2 Fields CRRG guide. Yeah, thanks for watching.